PSU stock with an order book 390% higher its market cap to add to your watch list. India's civil construction sector is rapidly expanding, projected to reach 25.31 trillion rupees in 2024 and 39.10 trillion rupees by 8.8%. Driven by government infrastructure investments and urbanization, India is set to become the world's third largest construction market by 2025, valued at 1.4 trillion. With a market capitalization of 14,620 of NCC Ltd closed at 232.90 rupees per share, decreasing around 0.21% as compared to the previous closing price of 233.40 rupees apiece. NCC's consolidated order book reached an all-time high crore in FY25, exceeding its market capitalization and providing robust revenue visibility for the years ahead. The company also achieved a record annual order inflow of 32,888 rupees crore, surpassing guidance with significant project wins in building irrigation segments. Economic overview. The Union government's capex faced Q1 FY25 delays due to elections and adverse monsoons. The FY26 budget raises capex by 10.1% to 11.2 rupees lakh crore, with total capex is set to grow 16.4%, reaching 19.8 rupees lakh crore in FY26 from 17 rupees lakh crore in FY25. Financial and operational highlights. Looking forward to the company's financial performance, revenue 85 rupees crore in Q4 FY24 to 6,131 rupees crore in Q4 FY25. During the same period, net profits jumped by 11% from 239 rupees crore to 265 rupees crore. Derived 98.8% of its revenue from construction, with NCC Limited contributing 86.5%, Pachwara Coal Mining 12%, and other subsidiaries 0.3%. Real estate, via NCC Urban Infrastructure, NCC's core focus on construction and infrastructure-related activities. NCC's diverse client portfolio includes major government bodies, metro rail corporations, PSUs like Indian Oil and NBCC, and private players like Adani. Aviation, defense, and urban infrastructure, highlighting its strong presence in India's infrastructure ecosystem. NCC Limited secured contracts for the Kenbetwa River Interlinking Project, highlighting growth potential in the sector. Its smart meter projects in Maharashtra and Bhishans completed in Bihar, reinforcing its presence in India's infrastructure and utility sectors. Future outlook. NCC Limited remains cautiously optimistic for FY26, anticipating growth in line with past 25% trends. May 2025. With government projects resuming normal operations, management expects increased activity and order flow in the coming quarters, supporting long-term growth. The construction sector in India is growing rapidly. Increased government spending on infrastructure and the sector has seen strong demand across roads, railways, airports, and real estate. Many large-scale projects are being executed across the country. This growth has benefited companies via strong order inflows and revenue visibility. NCC is one of the leading players it's involved in projects related to roads, buildings, irrigation, and urban development. The company plays a crucial role in India's ongoing infrastructure push, contributing to major national and state-level projects. Its steady business growth, diversified profile, and industry. NCC Ltd's order book is increasing due to strong order inflows, particularly from state and central government agencies, and the company's ability to secure high-value contracts. These orders include infrastructure projects like roads, water supply, and sewers like the Darbhanga Medical College and Hospital redevelopment and the Amaravati capital city infrastructure. Here's a more detailed breakdown. High-value orders. NCC has been awarded several large-scale projects, including those from Andhra Pradesh Capital Region Development Authority Operation Limited. Government contracts. A significant portion of NCC's order inflows come from state and central government agencies, indicating strong demand for its services in the public sector. Infrastructure development. The increasing order book reflects the broader trend of India well positioned to capitalize on these opportunities. Project pipeline. NCC has a strong project pipeline of over 2.4 lakh crore, providing further visibility for future revenue growth. Book-to-bill ratio. The influx of fresh orders has boosted NCC's balance between orders received and revenue earned. Increased revenue visibility. With a growing order book, NCC has better revenue visibility and the ability to forecast future earnings with greater confidence. Important investment disclaimer. All investment opinions and recommendations, broking houses and rating agencies. These views do not reflect personal opinions or advice. Stock market investments carry inherent risks of financial loss. Investors must exercise their own judgment and conduct proper due diligence. The author bears no risk based on this article. It is strongly recommended to consult a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decision.